Welcome to m-hance presents the 12 Days of Hintmas with me, Sharon Keegan. On the fourth day of Hintmas, GP gave to me a longer description in my payables transaction entry window. So as standard, when we go in here to our payables transaction entry, you get this very small description field. There's only 30 characters, which means that in a lot of cases people will use their own version of shorthand, and they may or may not be there sometime later to be able to figure it out. So now with GP18, when you go into your payables setup, there's an option down here on the right hand side to enable long description in payables transaction entry. By ticking this, when I go back in now to my transaction entry window, you can see I've got a second description field. This description field is 200 characters long. So that now means you've got 230 characters for your description, which should be more than adequate. So you no longer have to maybe go into the notes button to check this out. So yeah, that's the new longer description. I hope you get some use from it. Thanks for joining us, and come back tomorrow for another hint.